Introducing the Onesport Ot16 Urban Electric Bike, designed for all budgets. The most powerful and affordable bike on the market for just $799. With a legalized 250-watt engine, it becomes the ideal bike for all your adventures. The electric bike with which you will enjoy all your adventures on all types of circuits. Available now in several colors and with various accessories, so you can configure it to your liking. I've left the purchase link in the description box with a discount code, so you can take advantage of it. With up to 7 gear changes for different speeds on slopes, and with extra fat 20-inch wheels with better grip on the asphalt, plus front suspension that will allow you to travel on all types of terrain. It features a digital LED monitor to display the speed in kilometers per hour, check the remaining battery life, and control the different engine power levels, with 3 levels and a range limited to 25 kilometers per hour. The Onesport Ot16 electric bike can be folded to fit in the trunk of your car or stored anywhere in your home. Now I'll leave you with these beautiful aerial images so you can see its full potential on various types of asphalt and rougher terrain.
nada. Perfecto, tío. Es una pasada.
Knock me off my feet. I don't know what you done to me, but I know you taste like summer, and that's all I need to love you.